Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable the Enable SSH Agent setting on your Bitwarden desktop app. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over to File in the top left corner, go to Settings, and right here we need to disable, or not disable, but hide the security and preferences because they can distract us a lot. Now scroll down in the app settings for all accounts. Right here we will have the Enable SSH Agent, and to sign SSH request right from your Bitwarden vault. So it's useful whenever you're using it, but if you're using the Bitwarden only for the passwords, then I won't recommend using that. As you guys can see, you can also ask for authorization when using SSH Agent, so you guys can choose always, never, or remember until vault is locked, which is the best option out here. So now, as you guys can see, it's enabled. Now we can just disable it by tapping on the checkbox. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.